Hello and welcome again to English State's YouTube channel. This is Sam and this channel brings you the best tips and useful lessons to learn English language. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the thumbs up now so we can do more and more videos. In today's short video, I'm going to talk about demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative adjectives? How we can use demonstrative adjectives? We will answer this question, but after this intro. Don't go away. I use demonstrative adjectives when I point out to a thing or when I point out to things. Good. When I point out, then I use demonstrative adjective. We have 4 demonstrative adjectives. We have this, that, these, and those. 2 of them used with singular noun and other 2 used with plural noun. So let's start with the first one. I use this when I point out to something that is near to me. For example, this is my pen. This is my pen. Okay, so it's so close to me. This is my pen. Okay, this is my pen. So this pen is singular and in the same time it is so close to me. I use then, I use this. Okay, so the second one is that. So I use that when I refer to one thing, but this thing should be far away. Okay, so I use that with singular noun and this noun should be far away. It's not so close. For example, that is my camera. That is my camera. That is my camera. The second example, look at that person over there. Look at that person over there. Look at that person over there. Okay, so let's jump in to the third one. The third one is these. These, not this, but these. We use these when we refer to many things, and these things are near from us. These things are near from us. For example, these are my pens. These are my pens. These are my pens. These are my pens. Near from me. They are close to me, not far from me. Okay? The fourth one is those. We use those when we refer to many things and those things are far from us. Far from us. Okay, so we point out to many things and those things are far from us. For example, those are her children. Those are her children. Those are her children. Okay, so let's make a quick summary of our lesson. We use this when we refer to a singular noun and these singular nouns should be near from us. We use that when we refer to a singular noun and these nouns should be far from us. We use these when we refer to many things and these things should be near from us. And last one, we use those when we refer to many things and those things should be far from us. Far from us. Those. So this, that, these, and those. Before I end this video, I have to make sure that you know that we use demonstrative adjectives in the place of subject pronouns. When I say he, she, it, or they, I don't point out to any specific person or persons. But when I use demonstrative adjectives, I point out to specific person or things. Here is the example. I say it is my car when I don't refer to any specific car. But if I want to point out to a specific car, I remove it and add one of demonstrative adjectives, singular, for example, that or this. That if this car far away, if this car far away, and this if this car near to me. Okay, that instead of it. That is my car. That demonstrative adjectives because I want to point out to a specific car. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like it, leave a thumbs up now, subscribe if you're new here, and share this video with your friends. If you have any suggestion, leave it in the comment. See you in the next video.